Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have these. These are clippers that are gonna change my drill into a cutting, so it'll cut metal sheets with it. So I'm gonna show you guys what it does. It comes with these gloves, which are nice little gripper gloves. Comes with, I guess this is gonna be a hook for it and more hooks and things. I guess this will probably make it to hold it somehow. I'll read through the instructions and see what it is. But this is the apparatus here. I'll open it up and show you guys what it looks like. So this is it here. This is gonna be some heavy duty apparatus here. This metal will just go right through there and it'll slice it right open. So it's got it kind of the edge there and it grips up against it. So how cool is that? And then we've got some screws and the spring. So let me put this together here real quickly and I will show you guys what it looks like in a sec. Okay, so the way it's gonna work is it clips on there just like any other hex bit goes, right? And I have mine on this side here, so it's just gonna kind of basically hit the side here. So otherwise, without it, it would start twisting and stuff. So, but this one here is hitting the side. You could hook it up with this as well onto it. So if you really want it to be mounted securely, that would mount it on there and hold it on there really well. But I'm gonna guess it's gonna just hold this way against the tool. I don't see why I would even need that, but I can just hold it like this even, and it'll do that. Let's just see what happens when I try to go through my box here, what it does. See, it just pulls through. I guess the box is probably, see, it kind of drives itself through. I think it's gonna drive through better on metal, but you get the concept, it's just gonna drive right through, and I can go slow or fast or whatever. I guess if I go fast, ooh, it'll just blaze right on through. But you see it cuts it nice and clean and gives you the ability to kind of go around and around and around to make a nice clean cut. So how cool is that little device? Very cool, nice little thing. And it comes with, these other little stuff here so you can, spring it to the tool or whatever like that to make it really hold on there and things. So pretty cool, I like it. I'm gonna say thumbs up, very nice.